hope it's not too loud, but I have a neighbor that sounds like he's mowing his fucking dirt right now. But anyway, I wanted to do an eyeliner video. I know the fucking winged eyeliner is really hard, and I'm not the best at it either, but I wanted to show people what I do. I look fucking tired. And it's just going to be a quick little video of me doing eyeliner. I'm using some cheap-ass e.l.f. eyeliner. It's black. Just looks like this. Yeah. So I like to start with my wing. And I just like to pull it out as far as I want it. And then I take it in. And then I fill it in. And fill this part in. And I go over here. Oh, I hope that wasn't blocking the whole freaking view. I'm just blind without my glasses, so I need a mirror extremely close to my face. And I'm already fucking it up, as you can see. But it'll be fine. It'll just be a little thicker. And so I'm going to make my wing a little bit bigger. A little more. So that's how I do my winged eyeliner. I put on some mascara and I'm ready to go. Go where, you're probably wondering? Probably to fucking Instagram to post some pictures, or Facebook, or send them to my boyfriend. I ain't fucking going nowhere.